Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Nkiru. Today I will show you how to make a delicious Nigerian fish pepper soup using an authentic homemade spice mix. Whether you're craving something spicy or looking for a healthy flavorful dish, this recipe is perfect for you. I will list the measurements and glossary of Igbo terms in the description, so follow along. Let's make some magic in the kitchen. In a pot, add water, dried fish, already deboned and washed, chicken bouillon, Ogiri Igbo, and salt. Blend the scotch bonnet peppers, uziza seed, and okpei with some water and add it to the pot. Add the homemade pepper soup spice mix. This is the flavor powerhouse and the secret to the deliciousness of this recipe. You may want to watch the video of this homemade spice blend. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the fresh fish and dried utazi leaves. The fish needs to soak in all those fantastic flavors. Stir gently and cover the pot. Reduce the heat to medium and let it cook until the fish is almost fully done, stirring intermittently to avoid it breaking apart. If your fish starts to break, simply remove it and add it back at the end. Once the fish is nearly cooked, add your thickener. I am using oat flour to thicken this soup. If you're using boiled yam or cocoyam, add it at the beginning so it dissolves into the soup. Let the soup simmer for 2 more minutes, then add the ground crayfish and gently stir. Simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes and your delicious fish pepper soup is ready. While your delicious fish pepper soup is simmering away, you can prepare the perfect fufu to pair with it. Enjoy this rich flavorful soup on its own, or serve it with yam fufu, oat fufu, rice fufu, potato fufu, plantain fufu, cassava fufu, or eba. Dig right in and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had fun making this Nigerian fish pepper soup. If you tried this recipe, drop a comment below and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See you in the next video.